Alright, hey everybody. We had something exciting happen here at Steve and Audra. We had a company reach out to us and ask us to do a product review. This is a 12 volt heavy duty air compressor from a company called Gobege. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Before I open it up, just some key highlights from the product specs. Again, it's a 12 volt. It goes up to 150 psi. It's roughly 16 pounds and measures out a little over 15 by 11.4 by 11.4. All right, let's open this bad boy up. See what we got. All right, comes in a nice case. All right, got your tube with your gauge on it. Here's the compressor itself, some directions, and that's it for what's inside the case. All right, just double checking the measurements. Looks to be about 12.5 by a little under 10, and about 6 inches. So nice and compact. Obviously it's got the cables that will connect to your vehicle's battery. And the tube itself, the air pressure, the one end, you can have a quick release. That will go right here. Then on this end, it's got a connection for what would go on a bike tire, like a ball of some kind. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna hook it up to our van's battery, and I'm going to pump up a bike tire. We'll see how it goes. All right, so we're back here at the van, and we're going to give this thing a little bit of a test run, see how it does. All right, just going to undo these zip ties. All right, so the power cord with the clamps that go into your battery is 8 feet long, and then the tube for the air pressure is 26 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this to the van's battery. So for today's test run, I'm going to use a bike tire. As you can see, completely flat. Let's see how it does. And as you can see, has no problem getting this bike tire up to pressure real quick. Right about 50 will do it, and we're done. And we're done. It was that easy. Pretty impressive for a 12 volt system. All right, well, I say it did pretty well with our little test run of getting our bike tire up to the correct PSI. Got it up to 50 in about, well, I don't know, 5 to 10 seconds. It's rated up to 150 psi, so if you need to do a vehicle tire, it'll handle that as well. So overall, I give this thing 5 hands. So I think this will come in handy for our full-time van life travels. Alright, I think I got a perfect spot for it in our garage of our self-converted van. Well, you're going to have to follow along on our channel to see if we're going to need this down the road. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. If you're in the market for a 12-volt air compressor, I highly recommend this one from Gobege. You can find the link in our description to order it through Amazon.